shit nearly every single day. And can I kick a little something for the G's and make a few friends as I breeze through? Don't you know it's 2 in the morning and our party's still jumping? Cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on, and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do, ho? I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. Turn off the lights and close the doors, but what? We don't love them whores, and we gonna smoking out to that. Jesus, hose down like you motherfuckers bounce to that. And I'll be rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice, laid back with my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice, laid back with my mind on my money and my money on my mind, y'all. I got me some Seagram's gin. Everybody got that cup, but they ain't chipped in, you know. This type of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours before I get mine. Everything is fine, we listening to the D.O.G. He's got that cultivating music that be captivating me, but I who hears the words that I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street. I started mapping with this bitch named Sadie. You know she used to be the homeboy's lady. Don't you know it's 80 degrees when I tell that bitch please raise up all these NUTs, but you get none of these at ease. As I'm off with the dog pound full of breeze, and I'll be rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice, laid back with my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice, laid back with my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Later on that day, my homie Dr. Dre, he came by with a gang of Tangerine and a fat ass J. Oh, some bubonic chronic, you know it made me choke. It ain't no joke, I had to back up off the bed, set my cup of gin down. Don't you know Tanker ain't chronic? Well, I'm hooked up now. Ain't no stopping, I'm still popping. Dr. Dre got some bitches from the city of Compton to serve me a knot with a cherry on top. Cause when I bust my nut, you know I'm raging a pop a cop. But don't get upset, girl, smoking and dough, sipping on gin and a just yeah.